Good morning, Year 5s, on, like I said in my maths one, a drizzly day, but a much welcomed drizzly day. So, let's have a look at our reading. Now, I will admit, this reading one today is a relatively simple one. I do not expect this one to take you long at all. Remember, our home learning is, refreshing, recapping skills. This one, practice apply, retrieval for year 5 is more than, everyone is more than capable of this one, alright? I actually picked it because I quite like the story as well. I like the, I like mythical stories. But remember, it's key, you've got to pick out just the bit you need. There's no point writing out everything. But you've also got to make sure you write the right amount. So, text on the next page. It's a great little start to a myth for the Roman gods, who were very similar to the Greek gods, because they stole them. First one, who was Jupiter's son? This one's really a skim reading skill. So you've got to look through. Ah, boom. Oh, he boomed. Mercury, my son. Ah, so who said that? Right, it doesn't say. Ah, it says he, so it must have been mentioned before. Jupiter, there you go. So Mercury is Jupiter's son. So for that one, you just need to put Mercury. Where did the gods live? Many centuries ago, in a far distant past, Mount Olympus was the home of the gods. Pow. Mount Olympus is your answer there. What did Mercury think of his father? Just give me a little bit more here. Now, Jupiter grew restless. We have an important task. Mercury appeared at his father's side. Here we go. Mercury had great respect for his father and always valued opportunities to please and impress him. Now, you don't need that bit because that's not what he thinks of his father. That's the result of what he thinks of his father. What he actually thinks of his father is just this bit here. He had great respect. So Mercury had great respect for his father. Or Mercury respected his father. Pow. Next orange one. Who is Ovid? Now, I really hope I've caught you out with this one. I'm hoping that you're skim reading this, trying to find Ovid, and not finding it, and then going, oh, what? You'll notice down here, based on a myth by Ovid. And it also says up here, based on a myth by Ovid. So Ovid is the person who created the myth. Don't forget the information in the text. The text is the entire piece of paper, not just the bit you think you're going to read. The blue ones. How did Mercury and Jupiter disguise themselves? Okay, so you might need a bit more here. So Mercury, does it tell you what Jupiter does? Yes. So Mercury removed his winged sandals and both put on tattered clothes. Jupiter set off with a slow, painful limp. So you've got to select it here. You could put Mercury removed his winged sandals and put on tattered clothes. Jupiter put on tattered clothes and set off with a limp. There you go. So you might need a bit more. I would actually, on that, I'd put Mercury equals Jupiter equals, and I'd just write what they both would look like and what their disguise was. And in the last one, why did the gods visit Earth in this myth? Well, that is, up here. Where are we going, Father? What should we do? It is time we tested the kindness. Visit the people. If they pass the test, then all shall be well. Right, okay, so they went to test the kindness of the people of Earth. There you go. Like I said at the start, that was not a particularly hard one, guys, okay? We know retrieval is one of the easier MetaMate skills in Year 5 now, but the text can be trickier, alright? So, hope you did well with that, and I'll see you for the next video.